Throughout my study of politics and governance in Southeast Asia, I have gained a deeper understanding of the region's diverse political system, historical context, and the dynamic interplay between governance, culture, and social development in every country of Southeast Asia. Now, the first state that we're going to talk about is Singapore. Singapore is a state and an island country in the maritime of Southeast Asia located in the end of the Malayan Peninsula between Malaysia and Indonesia. Studying the governance and culture of Singapore, I have learned how its highly centralized and efficient government, underpinned by strong rule of law and the meritocracy, has fostered rapid economic growth, social stability. At the same time, Singapore is a multicultural society that highlights importance of balancing ethnic diversity and national identity through policies promoting harmony and exclusivity. Now, the second topic that we're going to talk about is Thailand. Thailand is bordered by Malaysia and the Gulf of Thailand to the south, Myanmar and Andoma Sea to the west, Cambodia to the east, and the Lao People Democratic Republic of the North, and to the north and east. Thailand's political instability has hindered its democratic development but also demonstrated the resilience of its institution and people. Despite frequent military coups and political unrest, Thailand continues to adapt and find ways to maintain its governance structure and economic growth. For example, the 2014 military coup led by the National Council for Peace and Order suspended democratic process but aimed to restore order for months of protest. While the coup disrupted democracy, it highlights Thailand's ongoing struggle to balance the governance and the public demands for reform, exemplifying the tension between authoritarian and the invention of the democratic aspiration. Now, the third topic that we're going to talk about is Myanmar, also known as Burma. Myanmar or Burma has experienced political social challenges, transitioning from decades of military rule to a brief period of democratic reform and back to military control. The military, or Tumat Tatdaw, continues to play a dominant role in the governance of Myanmar, undermining the democratic institution and human rights. Examples of conflict in Myanmar: the Rohingya crisis. Rohingya crisis is a Muslim minority group have faced decades of systematic discrimination, denial of citizenship, and violence. The crisis was escalated during 2017 when Myanmar's military launched a violent crackdown of the Rakhine state. The third country that we're going to discuss is Laos. Laos is a landlocked country of Southeast Asia. It's governed by one-party socialist state, Lao People Revolutionary Party or LPRP. The government maintains strict control over political social activity, emphasizing centralized planning led by the development of Laos. People pursued economic reforms under its new economic mechanism, transforming a commanding economy to one encourages foreign investments, regional integration, particularly through projects like China-Laos Railway. Despite its natural resources, the strategic location, Laos faces challenges such as poverty, infrastructure development, environmental control, particularly hydropower. The last topic that we're going to discuss is Philippines. Philippines is a democratic republic with a presidential system known for its vibrant political culture, active civil society. Its government shaped a historical colonial influence, resulting a hybrid legal system and political system blending Western models with local tradition. The country faces challenges such as corruption, political dynasty, and social economic inequality. Despite of this issue, Philippines has made significant progress in areas such as education, healthcare, technology, and The Philippines, culturally, the Philippines is diverse with over 100 ethno-linguistic groups, and its society is deeply influenced by Catholic faith, which plays a major role in tradition. Additionally, Philippines is a strategic location located in between China, Indonesia, and Malaysia.